Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to solve tangent to the fifth power of x is equal to tangent of x. Now, since I have two of the exact same trig functions, tangent and tangent, but with different degrees, 5 and then just a phantom 1 there, I want to move everything over to the same side. That way I'm looking at tangent to the fifth power of x minus tangent of x is equal to 0. My goal here is to now be able to factor out a tangent, and so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go tangent of x times tangent to the fourth power times of x minus 1 is all equal to 0. Now the thing is, this factors out a lot. I'm going to do this off to the side here. So we have tangent squared minus 1 times tangent squared plus 1. This is a difference of squares, so I'm going to get tangent minus 1 tangent plus 1, all this times tangent squared plus 1. Now, let's bring it all together here. So, we have tangent of x times tangent of x minus 1 times tangent of x plus 1 times tangent squared of x plus 1. All of that is equal to 0. Now, let's count it all up, make sure it's all there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tangents. Perfect. That's how many we should have. Now, what we're going to do is think of which of these can be solved, because all of these are multiplied together and they're equal to 0. So that means one or all of them needs to be 0. This one can give me a solution, this one will give me a solution, this one will give me a solution, but this one will not give me a solution, because I'll be looking at tangent squared of x is equal to -1. Can't take a square root of a negative number. So essentially, I need to find out when tangent of x is equal to 0, and for that I'm going to go to the unit circle, so let's go back to blue. Tangent is y over x. So I want y values that are 0, and that's going to be at 0 and at pi. So 0 and pi. All right. Now I want tangent to be 1. So this one's going to be tangent of x equals 1. And so tangent of x would be 1 here and here. So that's going to be pi over 4. And that's going to be 5 pi over 4. 4, there we go, the comma. Cool. And then similarly, I want tangent of x to equal -1. So -1. And that will be here and here. And so that's going to be 3 pi over 4 and 7. Whoops. Try that again. There we go. And 7 pi over 4. Now, the reason why I know it's got to be these, it's the acronym All Students Take Calculus. All the trig functions are positive here, tangent's positive there. So that's why when I want tangent to be 1, it's got to be these two spots. But when I want it to be -1, it'll be -1 there. Anyways, I have found all the solutions that will make this equation be true.